This gotta be the worst haircut I ever gave myself, bro. Oh my gosh. Let me show you how I got here. So I got some new clippers in the mail, and I was too hyped to use them boys. So I started off by giving myself a taper. I grabbed the liners and set that first guideline. Then I grabbed my clippers with no guard on, lever open, and went up about an inch. Then I put my 1/8 guard on, lever open, and went up about another inch. Except this time, I'm also curving up into the afro so it blends better. Then I put my 1/16 guard on, lever closed, and start flicking at that middle line so that fade can start fading. Then I cut my ear open with the clippers. That boy started leaking a little bit. I don't know why I was hype. That ain't work though, so I took the guard off, opened up the lever, and finished flicking out that middle line. Then I put my 3/16 guard on, lever open, and gently flicked at the top of the taper just to get some of that bulk out of there. Then I took the guard off, closed the lever, and flicked out that first guideline I made earlier. The taper came out clean, but the lineup is where it got crazy. First I hit it with the holding spray. Then I grabbed my liners and started going crazy on that boy. And as you can see, I got thin corners, so I ain't want to dig in there too much. Then I did my vertical bars and curved that C cup. Then I grabbed the airbrush and started spraying my hairline in, man. It was looking cool at first, now, man. It's my first time using something like this, so it's coming out pretty good. Then I grabbed some 360 Silk Moisturizer, put it in my hair, and grabbed the Twist King so I could curl my hair up. But when I did that, it lifted my whole hairline up. So I'm like, dang, my hairline looked crazy. So I grabbed my little airbrush and started spraying that boy in some more. See, now it turned into a whole art project. Here goes the final result. The side taper clean as a mug. Nah, I mean, it's just the hairline, man. That boy looks so unnatural. It's cool though. I'm gonna keep on practicing and getting better with the enhancements. Next cut about to go crazy. Stay tuned.